Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the life and legacy of one of the most prominent political figures of our time, Barack Obama. From his early life to his presidency and beyond, we'll explore the remarkable journey of the 44th President of the United States. Barack Hussein Obama II was born on August 4, 1961, in Honolulu, Hawaii. His parents, Stanley and Dunham and Barack Obama Sr., had a diverse background that would later shape his worldview. Obama's childhood was marked by his search for identity and connection with his African heritage. After his parents divorced, his mother remarried and they moved to Indonesia for a few years, exposing him to different cultures and perspectives. After returning to Hawaii, Obama attended Punahou School, a prestigious prep school. He then pursued higher education at Occidental College in Los Angeles before transferring to Columbia University in New York, where he studied political science and international relations. After graduating from Columbia, Obama moved to Chicago and became a community organizer. This experience exposed him to the challenges faced by underprivileged communities and fueled his desire to create positive change. Obama then attended Harvard Law School, where he excelled and became the first African-American president of the Harvard Law Review. His legal education set the stage for his entry into politics. In 1996, Obama was elected to the Illinois State Senate, where he served for 8 years. His reputation as a thoughtful and charismatic politician grew, and in 2004, he gained national attention with his keynote address at the Democratic National Convention. Just 4 years later, in 2008, Barack Obama announced his candidacy for the presidency. His campaign focused on themes of hope, unity, and change, resonating with a diverse range of voters. On January 20, 2009, Barack Obama was inaugurated as the 44th President of the United States. He faced a series of significant challenges, including the economic recession, healthcare reform, and foreign policy issues. One of his most notable accomplishments was the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare, which aimed to provide healthcare coverage to millions of previously uninsured Americans. Additionally, President Obama signed the Paris Agreement, taking a strong stance on climate change and international cooperation. After serving 2 terms in office, Barack Obama left the presidency in 2017. His legacy is marked by his efforts to bridge divides, promote equality, and inspire young people to get involved in politics. In his post-presidential years, Obama, along with his wife Michelle, established the Obama Foundation, focusing on leadership development and community engagement. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive look at the life and legacy of Barack Obama. From his early years to his time in the Oval Office and beyond, his impact on American politics and society continues to be felt. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, take care.